must use the login details you were given after you joined photography-jobs.net. You can log in by clicking here. I am scared about paying for things on the internet, is it safe? Your payments are safe because we use ClickBank as our payment processor. This means we do not keep any of your card details on file and the transaction is performed on a secure server. You will see the HackerSafe logo on ClickBank secure order form when you join. How can I contact you? If the above FAQ does not answer your question, you can contact me by clicking the contact button at the top right of this page.